Hey, good morning everybody. This is John again from Volkswagen Planet, and today we're going to do part 7A as an apple. We're going to be working on fuse number 3. This is in the ongoing series of the 1972 Rewire Your Super Beetle. So this fuse is a real quick, real simple. It's only one wire. It's going to be the yellow wire that we see in front of us right here, with a little magnifying glass on it. And that wire is a 14 gauge. It's all solid, one color. And this one's going to start the left front headlight. So as always, like, comment, subscribe, or don't. Thumbs up, thumbs down. And let's get going on this video. Again, 1972 Super Beetle. So let's take a look at the fuse number 3. So I'm going to show you that we're going from left to right as if you were sitting behind the steering wheel and looking up underneath. So we're going to go over 1, 2, 3, and we're going to see this fuse right here. There's no wire in front of it, so we're going to go down below from behind. And like I said, we notice that it is a solid white wire. This wire is going to go from behind the fuse box over to right around the master brake cylinder reservoir. There's going to be a big thick wire loom like we always talk about. It goes towards the headlights. We're going to find the all solid wire. As you can see, it says 2.5. We know that's millimeters because it's German. The conversion on that is 14 gauge. So it's going to go, this diagram is kind of deceiving. So it's just going to go really quick. It's probably about a 4-foot wire overall. It's going to go down along the side underneath the, here, let's put the magnifying glass on here real quick again. It's going to go inside the, this all inside the trunk. So it goes up. Now, once we get to this area, it's going to go drop down into the spare tire area, and there's going to be two wires, or two big thick spots coming out of the left front fender. One is going to be up a little higher than the other one. We want to go to the lowest point one because it's going to be a little rubber grommet, little rubber insert that's going to lead this wire outside to the fender. And it's going to be, this is the headlight right here. This 56B as in boy. So if we take the headlight out, you're going to see the 3 prongs. It's going to be labeled 56B as in Bravo. It's in this particular light, there's only 3 wires possible. It's going to be the brown, which we'll talk about in a different video, and the 56A, which again will be another video dedicated to that. And this one yellow wire is specific to the left front only. So don't get confused. And like I said, that's literally all this fuse carries, is just this one particular wire. So we'll back up. If we're going reverse, we'd pop the headlight out. There's going to be a solid yellow 14 gauge wire. And if we follow that wire, it's going to go back into under the hood area, which is the trunk. So that wire is going to come up into a wire loom. Now we're doing this completely backwards. So this is going to be the wire that's going to be in that wire loom. It's going to go up into the, up underneath the master cylinder, master cylinder, the brake reservoir, the fluid reservoir. It's going to go, the loom's going to follow up, and on a stock Beetle or stock Super Beetle, it's probably going to come out in the front. But like I said, I've got mine wired to come out the back of the fuse box to make this look a little bit cleaner. As you will notice in 7B as in Bravo video when we actually do the work on the car. So stay tuned for that. That should be up probably the day after this video gets posted. So make sure you follow that. I want to thank everybody who's been following this series. Again, we're doing this completely backwards now, going from the headlight back to the fuse box. Again, it's a 2.5 millimeter wire. That right there is a 14 gauge in case we had to replace that for lost, damage, cut, unable to use. And just for what we've already gone over before, that comes up into the third fuse. And I want to make sure that we're really clear on this. The third fuse is if you're sitting behind the steering wheel, as the driver, it's going to be the third, and look under your left hand is going to be the fuse box. It's going to be the 8 amp fuse, which is the white one right here. So there's no wire in front because it picks up the power on the next video, or on the next fuse we'll show you. So literally that's all it is. And again, it just comes out the back, 14 gauge yellow wire. So again, like, comment, subscribe, or don't. Like I said, I want to say thank you for everybody who's followed this video. Stay tuned for more. And as always, guys, God bless you. God bless your family. God bless our great nation. Have a great day, and we'll catch you on the next video. Have a good one, guys.